Do not pray for easy lives, pray to be stronger men. If not us, who? If not now, when? Ask not what your country can do for you, but what you can do for your country. Every accomplishment starts with the decision to try. As we express our gratitude, we must never forget that the highest form of appreciation is not to utter words, but to live by them. Those who dare to fail miserably can achieve greatly. The ignorance of one voter in a democracy impairs the security of all. Leadership and learning are indispensable to each other. Life is never easy. There is work to be done and obligations to be met, obligations to truth, to justice, and to liberty. Too often we enjoy the comfort of opinion without the discomfort of thought. We have the power to make this the best generation of mankind in the history of the world or make it the last. The greater our knowledge increases, the more our ignorance unfolds.